to see a wonder like this, something that's natural, that really, you know, goes to like the roots of us as as humans, and just ties us to the natural world. Even though this world has been so altered, you know, it's still nature, even the city's nature, and we're always in it, always surrounded by it. And I think, you know, these birds tell that tale too. Yeah, especially using an old brick chimney in downtown as a place to roost, where, you know, probably historically they used trees that were burned out and stuff like that. And, you know, they're adapting to living with us, and you know, it's just kind of a special thing, a special gift that they give us. They continue to treat us with incredible sights.